Hey everybody, this is Halstead and Andrew McMillan with REH CPA. Today we want to talk about, just recently the IRS has done their inflation adjustments for 2024. I want to do some of the tax items, and I've got Andrew McMillan here with me. Andrew, what can you tell us about some of these items that have been adjusted for inflation for 2024?
Yeah, so a few of the most notable that affects pretty much every taxpayer would be they've widened the tax brackets. So what that means is more of your income is going to be taxed at a lower rate now. That they've widened these brackets, they've widened them to where more of your income gets pushed down to lower rates. So it really helps them guard against what they kind of call bracket creep, where you may get, because of inflation, you may get pushed into a higher tax bracket, but you've really incurred no real increase in take-home income. You know, you're still earning the same amount of income, but now everything else is more expensive. But you're also getting into get you in a higher tax bracket. So they've widened these brackets to help kind of hedge against that a little bit, so that they can put more money in taxpayers' pockets. So hopefully, with all of these inflation adjustments, you feel the benefit as a taxpayer, as a reduction in your taxes owed. Another one that they've done is they've increased the standard deduction. So if you're married, the standard deduction is now $29,200, which is about a $1,500 increase from what it was. For single taxpayers, it's half that. It's $14,600, which is a $750 increase from where it was. So they increased the standard deduction to help out as well. And then another one that really affects a lot of people who earn a W-2 wage through an employer, they may have access to a 401k. So they increased the amount that you as the employee can contribute to the 401k to $23,000, up $500, from $22,500 to now $23,000 for 2024. So they also increased the traditional IRA amounts and the Roth IRA amounts that you can put in every year to $7,000. So some small increases there, but nonetheless still an increase. So the IRS has tried to take a stab at helping out people who have been severely impacted by inflation really the last few years by widening these tax brackets and increasing the amount of standard deduction and the amount of money you can put into a 401k. So these are all changes for 2024. So you'll feel the benefit of this on your 2025 on taxes you file in 2025. So we're coming up on the new year here, and you're still going to be under these 2023 rules for these returns you're about to file. So.
Awesome. Well, really good update, Andrew. If you have any questions on how these changes will affect your 2024 taxes, feel free to give us a call.